Oh my gosh. Let's get right back in there. Oh my gosh. So many bites, they can't get it in their mouths. There we go. Put it right back in. We probably don't see many lures in this section. Oh yeah, that's a different looking fish. Wow. We gotta try to get a bass. Alrighty. Holy, there's a nicer fish over there. Oh my gosh. Come on. Thing needs a little bit bigger hook. There we go. Chew. All right, bud. Come on, dude. There you go. Chew. It's a big lure for these little guys. Another one off. Chew. I'm just waiting for a bass to bite it. Hey, we doubled up. Get one real quick. Yeah, we doubled up. That's what's up. Yeah, we're shredding it out here on the Perky. It's a good day for it. Yeah, the blue giggies are out. You could catch a bag limit easy right now. Bye-bye, bud. Might need to do a little T-rig. But I'm having fun with this right now. Choo! Yeah, there's a dam down there. We'll be good.
You gotta turn around though.
You could probably dock up right on the dam. Remember we walked it? Yeah. Ooh! Oh yeah. We were shredding it out here on the Perky today. Got the whole gang out. Type shit. Jackson's choo. Jackson home from the Beemore. We getting outside always. Quit playing with them. Oh. There we go. Oh, is that a bass?
That's a fat one, yeah.
That is a better one. Oh yeah, that's some meat. That's definitely some more meat. Oh! Bye-bye. Yeah, dude, this whole scum line is just filled with fish. Oh, you're good, dude. We could low-key tie up if you wanna.
Let's tie up.
All right, bet. Ooh. Oh, am I on? Yeah, I'm on. See if we can just fish one out here. Huh. Same one? Dude, that might be the exact same one.
Back to that.
We will see later. You on? Come on, we gotta see a bass today, dude.
Where's that 20?
Oh, they all.
Loving it.
It's funny, like, these guys are probably brother and sister.
Yeah.
They probably just stick together. They look the exact same. We're brother and brother. Nice fish. Bye bye, bub. We got a smallie on the board.
I'm trying to revive it.
It'll be fine. Holy shit, that's a nice smallie. Let me see. Got hooked where? Looks fine. Oh, in its mouth. Oh, yeah, yeah. Who knows, dude? It's okay. The crawdaddies will get him. It's a nice smallie, dude. You got him on the Rapala?
I got him on the Fat Albert, the Prince Albert. Oh, look, there's a dead bee.
Choo! Dude, I saw a bee get smacked on the top water, and I was recording it. I was like, this thing's gonna get smacked, because it looks... I have a feeling this thing's gonna get smacked. You'd be alright?
I'd take it like a champ.
What if I went really fast and did it?
Oh, shit. That's like...
You think you could surf away from this?
Oh, fuck!
Holy shit! Alright, faster! No! Oh! Oh! Yo! Alright, that was the final level. Look at you. Look at this sailor.
Get the balance.
This kid lives on a boat.
Can you sail on your ship?
Hell no.
Let's try.
This is an Ozark Trail. Bro, nah. I cannot flip this kayak. I got so much bullshit in here. Josh can stand on his though. Get in there. Get in there. Alright, so I think we're working our way up. Just went down to the dam there. Jackson jumped in. I'm gonna try to find some fish up here. Sorry. I'm getting out of here. Oh! Oh! Look at that. Wow. On the ripping raft. That's no joke. Thanks, Blue Gig. Oh, right in my face. You catching blue gigs? Huh? Dude, that hellgrammite slays. It slays. Dude, you could live for free on the kayak. Easy.
You got a clip farm that.
Facts. What the... Dude, these things are just abundant in the Perky. How did he get hooked like that? He must have been checking him out. Let's see. There's Jackson. We got the popper, bro. Wait, shit. The popper's not attached. Huh. Epic fail. Put it in the compilation. Damn, imagine that was like a Rapala. That would be an epic fail compilation. You're on? Oh shit, that's mad. That's a nice lunker. Oh yeah.
Did you get you throwing this off the fucking
Yeah, I did.
Camera?
I'm not putting that in the video though.
Bro, what?
No, I'm kidding.
Raw footage.
Oh my gosh. There we go. Ooh. You're not getting away. Nice little guy on the popper. Let's check out this blue giggy. Oh yeah, they got nice around. Oh yeah. That's a rainbow trout. That's a rainbow trout hybrid. Yeah, I've only seen this happen a couple times.
That one's fire.
They mate with the trout.
I fucks with that.
Okay. I like it too.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, buddy.
What is it?
East Coast angling.
East Coast anglers.
Chew.
Bye-bye.
Chew. Nice release too. Nice fish.